Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Blast. Today we will talk about short haircut ideas for older women. First is the pixie cut. This is very short and stylish haircut. It is easy to manage and perfect for daily life. You don't need much time to style it. Just comb your hair and you are ready to go. Pixie cut also makes your face look fresh and young. You can keep it smile or add soft layers for volume. This hairstyle looks beautiful with grey or white hair. Next is a bob cut. This is one of the most popular hairstyles. The hair length is usually up to the chin or a little longer. Bob cut gives a neat and elegant look. It is great for women who want short hair but not too short. You can keep it straight or slightly wavy. This haircut is also easy to take care of. It suits almost every face shape. Layered short haircut. Another great idea is a layered short haircut. Layers add volume and make your hair look fuller. This style is perfect if your hair is thin. It gives a soft and natural look. You can style it easily with a brush or your fingers. Layered hair also moves nicely and looks lively. If you have natural curls, you can go for a short curly haircut. Curls look beautiful and full of life. Short curls are easy to manage and look very stylish. You can use a little hair cream to keep curls soft and defined. This style gives a happy and fresh look. Another simple idea is elegant style of side swept short haircut. In this haircut, hair is combed to one side. It gives a soft and classy look. You can also add side bangs to make it more stylish. This haircut is perfect for both casual and formal occasions. Keep visiting my channel for more designs and more ideas. You can see my ideas. You can enjoy my videos. So these were some beautiful short haircut ideas for older women. All these styles are easy, simple and low maintenance. Choose the one that makes you feel comfortable and confident. Remember, beauty has no age. Please friends, subscribe my channel and not forget to press the bell icon. By pressing the bell icon, you will get all the notifications of my channel and my latest uploading videos. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more ideas. See you again in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.